The dangers of drinking from plastic bottles. We all use plastic bottles now and again, whether we want to or not. We often use the same bottles again and again instead of throwing them into the recycling bin, seeing more value in reusing them. The question is, are we taking a risk with our health when we do so? It appears that in certain cases, the answer is yes. Bacteria can thrive in a bottle of water. While a one-time use of a bottle of water, as manufacturers declare it should only be, won't harm you, you are tempting your fate if you decide to drink from it again. Studies have shown that prolonged use of the same plastic bottle causes it to scratch and crack, and it is inside these little scratches and cracks that bacteria can thrive, just like on your cutting board. Cleaning is no use. Of course, this cleaning will probably cause more damage to the bottle. Remember, they weren't made for reuse, and so they were not made to resist the various cleaning materials. It's also important to remember that the bacteria in the water bottle can get through to your mouth, so if you aren't rinsing your bottle, it acquires many bacteria that live in water, turning your bottle into a real petri dish. Reusable bottles. Even plastic bottles that are reusable need to be washed with lukewarm water and soap because they can also accumulate scratches and bacteria even if they probably accumulate less than a disposable one. Chemical leak. Use only lukewarm water to clean the bottles. Using very hot water to clean the bottle, perhaps thinking to sterilize it, is a bad idea, especially if you are using single-use bottles. Experts believe that washing disposable bottles with hot water or in the dishwasher is a recipe for disaster, because the plastic they use to make these bottles is not made to withstand such heat. When it does heat up, there is a chance that dangerous chemicals will leak from the plastic and into the liquid inside the bottle. Tougher plastic. Reusable plastic bottles are made of tougher plastic and are supposed to withstand higher temperatures without a problem. However, there is no safe way to completely remove all the dangers of using a plastic product for a long period of time. The best protection against chemical leaks is to drink your water from glass or stainless steel bottles. Opening. Bacteria are mostly found near the opening of the bottle because our mouth itself contains bacteria and also because of the way the cap is screwed on it, creating a perfect place for bacteria to thrive. What's the bottom line? As mentioned, avoid using single-use bottles more than once. Throw them into the recycling bin or repurpose them yourself to something you can use. Even plastic bottles meant to be reused are not recommended, and you'd be better off using stainless steel ones. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.